Right now, we're about to check out the Sceptre E225W-19203R. Whoop whoop! So as some of you may know, I like to live stream now on Twitch. And with that, I've found that having a second monitor would be helpful so I can view OBS and view the chat. You know, my phone can only do so much. It's a little limiting. It is a 22-inch, it's a 1080p LED monitor that covers 99% sRGB color gamut that can hit 75 Hz refresh rate. With a 5 millisecond response time and a 3 millisecond gray to gray, we picked up this LED monitor for roughly $100 on Amazon, and we will have a link for you in the description. The measurements are as follows. It's 19.92 inches wide, 14.57 high, and 4.21 inches depth with a stand. It supports a 75 by 75 versa mount, and it features a 20-degree tilt. It weighs just 5.80 pounds with a stand and 5.14 pounds without it. The Sceptre features 2 HDMI ports and a single VGA port, all of which hit up to 75 Hz. We didn't try to overclock this monitor due to the price. There's a single audio in and out jack, so if you want to plug in your headphones directly, you can do so. Alrighty, let's look at the Sceptre. Ooh, ta-da! It still has its cover on. And let's take a look at the back. Ooh, it's really lightweight, actually, which is really nice. Let's see. Those are the ports I was talking about. You got your HDMI, you got your VGA, all the headphones and all that good stuff. La la la. Okay. Yay! Yeah, but like I said, it's really lightweight. It's a lot lighter weight than the monitor I'm using right now. This monitor does include speakers, but I wouldn't write home about it. It has two 2-watt speakers. In a pinch, they'll get the job done, but I would recommend investing in some speakers or headphones. For powering this monitor, it comes with a 100 to 240 volt power brick, and it states that it consumes 21.3 watts and a maximum of 30 watts, less than 0.5 watts while in standby. Thanks for watching. This has been Tracy with VainSoftGames. If you like what you saw, you can like or leave a comment. Would you like to help support our channel? You can do so by heading on over to our Patreon. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell.